Savory and spicy kimchi fried rice is a popular dish in South Korea that has endless variations. Today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom and pork kimchi fried rice. First, we'll make the sauce for our kimchi fried rice that will give it its beautiful red color and deep umami flavor. In a small bowl, mix together some kimchi, kimchi juice, gochujang, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Gochujang is a Korean fermented red chili paste with a savory, sweet, and spicy flavor. We'll be using a mix of cremini, oyster, and shiitake mushrooms in this dish. Pulse the mushrooms in a food processor until they're coarsely chopped. Next, add some vegetable oil to a smoking hot wok. Add the mushrooms along with some ground pork and stir fry until golden brown. Replacing some of the pork with flavor-lifting mushrooms in this dish still imparts the same meaty flavor and texture, but increases the amount of produce and nutritional value of the dish. Remove from the wok and set aside. Without cleaning the wok, add another tablespoon of vegetable oil, sliced onion, minced ginger, and minced garlic. Stir fry until nice and aromatic. Add some brown rice that's been cooked and cooled and stir fry until it's very hot. Now, add this kimchi mixture as well as the cooked pork mushroom mixture back to the rice. Add julienned carrot, some shredded kale, and continue to stir fry until the kale is wilted and the rice is very hot and aromatic. Now stir in some thinly sliced scallions and sesame seeds. Serve this delicious kimchi fried rice topped with a sunny side up egg, some additional kimchi, and julienne roasted seaweed sheets. The tart and spicy kimchi sweetness and heat of the gochujang and the savory umami flavors from the mushrooms make this kimchi fried rice a beloved dish all over the world.